Today, I'm going to show you how Google just dropped a tool that makes studying automatic. I'm talking about flashcards that build themselves, quizzes that grade themselves, and reports that write themselves in any language you want. This is NotebookLM, and it just got a massive upgrade that nobody's talking about. And yeah, it's completely free. Let me show you exactly how to use it. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Joseph Carter. Joseph reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. All right, so Google just updated NotebookLM, and I'm going to be honest with you, this changes everything for students, for researchers, for anyone who has to learn stuff fast. Here's what's new. NotebookLM can now auto-generate flashcards. It can create quizzes, and it can build custom reports in whatever format you want. And I'm not talking about basic stuff here. I'm talking about flashcards that cite their sources, quizzes that explain why you got something wrong, reports that you can customize down to the exact word count and tone. And the best part, you can make it output in Spanish, in Urdu, in French, in whatever language you need. So if you've been sleeping on NotebookLM, wake up. Because this tool just became insanely powerful. Let me walk you through exactly how to use it. First, go to notebooklmgoogle.com. Sign in with your Google account. That's it. You're in. Now here's what you need to know about sources. NotebookLM works by reading your content, so you can upload PDFs, you can paste in Google Docs, you can drop in YouTube links, you can add web URLs, you can even upload audio files. The more you give it, the smarter it gets. So let's say you're studying for an exam, you've got lecture notes, you've got a YouTube video from your professor, you've got a research paper. Just throw all of that into NotebookLM, click New Notebook, name it whatever you want, then start uploading your sources. For this demo, I'm going to upload a PDF of lecture notes and a web article about AI. You can use whatever sources you have. Once your sources are uploaded, here's where the magic happens. You'll see a tab called Studio. Click that. Inside Studio, you've got 3 new tools: flashcards, quizzes, reports. Let me show you each one. Let's start with flashcards. Click flashcards. You'll see options to customize. You can pick how many cards you want. You can set the difficulty: easy, medium, hard. Let's say I want 5 flashcards at medium difficulty. Now here's the cool part. You can tell NotebookLM exactly what you want the flashcards to focus on. So in the prompt field, I'm going to paste this. Generate 5 flashcards from the uploaded lecture PDF focusing on key commands, definitions, and 1 example for each. Keep each card short. Front is a question, back is a 1 to 2 sentence answer. Include a citation pointing to the page or source. Hit generate. Wait for it. And boom, 5 flashcards ready to go. You can flip through them. Front has the question, back has the answer. But here's what makes this insane. See that explain button? Click it. NotebookLM gives you a longer explanation with citations. So if you don't understand something, you can dig deeper right there. No more Googling, no more hunting through your notes. It's all right there. Now let's talk about quizzes. Go back to Studio, click quizzes, same deal. Pick how many questions, pick the difficulty. Let's do 5 questions at hard difficulty. And again, you can customize what the quiz focuses on. So I'm going to paste this prompt. Create a 5-question quiz from the uploaded lecture PDF emphasizing command options, key definitions, and short troubleshooting scenarios. For each question, include 4 options and the correct answer with a citation. Generate. Wait for it. Now you've got a quiz. 5 questions, multiple choice. Here's what I love about this. You can take the quiz right there, answer the questions, and if you get one wrong, click explain. NotebookLM shows you why you got it wrong, shows you the right answer, shows you where that answer came from in your sources. This is huge for learning because you're not just memorizing, you're understanding, and you can keep generating new quizzes, different questions, different focus areas as many times as you want. Now let's talk about reports, because this is where NotebookLM gets really wild. Go to Studio, click reports. You'll see some default options, but here's what you want. Click Create Your Own. This is where you can build a completely custom report. First, pick your language. See that drop-down? You can generate reports in Spanish, in Urdu, in French. Google says they support a wide range of languages, so if you need to write something in another language, you can do that. No translation tools needed. Now here's the prompt I'm going to use, and you can copy this exact prompt and tweak it for whatever you need. Format is blog post. Audience is non-technical product managers. Length is 700 to 900 words. Structure is title, TLDR, that's 1 sentence. Background, that's 2 short paragraphs. 3 key findings bulleted with short evidence lines and citations for each. 4 actionable recommendations numbered, and a closing, that's 1 paragraph. Tone is conversational, persuasive, slightly informal. Include 2 tweet-length hooks and 3 suggested SEO keywords. Sources, use only the uploaded lecture PDF. Show inline citations and a final sources list with page references. Paste that into the prompt field, hit generate, and watch what happens. NotebookLM builds the entire report. Title, TLDR, background, key findings with citations, recommendations, closing, even gives you tweet hooks and SEO keywords, all based on your sources, all formatted exactly how you asked. You can scroll through it, check the citations, make sure everything's accurate, and if you want to tweak it, just go back and adjust your prompt. Change the length, change the tone, change the structure, generate again. You can make white papers, you can make explainers, you can make briefing docs, you can make whatever you need. Now, here's something else that's cool. NotebookLM will actually suggest report types based on your sources. So if you upload a scientific paper, it might suggest a white paper format or a glossary or a technical brief. If you upload lecture notes, it might suggest a study guide or a summary. It's trying to help you figure out what kind of report makes sense for what you're working on, and you can ignore those suggestions and build your own, or you can use them as a starting point. Either way, you've got total control. Now let me give you some quick tips before we wrap this up. First, always verify the citations. NotebookLM is pulling from your sources, but you should still double check that the citations are accurate and that the information is correct. This is AI. It's really good, but it's not perfect. Second, the more specific your prompts are, the better your results will be. Don't just say make flashcards. Say make 15 flashcards focusing on these topics at this difficulty level. The more detail you give, the more useful the output. Third, you can keep tweaking and regenerating. If the first version isn't perfect, adjust your prompt and try again. You're not locked into anything. Fourth, if you're in an education domain or if you're an admin, check with your organization about how NotebookLM fits into your setup. Google has specific updates and features for education users. And fifth, experiment with the language feature. If you're learning a new language or if you need to create content in another language, this is a game changer. So here's what you should do right now. Go to notebooklm.google.com, create a notebook, upload some sources, try the flashcards, try the quizzes, try the custom reports, see how it works for your use case, because this tool is free, it's powerful, and it just got way more useful. I've put all the prompts I used in this video in the description. You can copy them, you can tweak them, you can use them however you want. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe if you want more content like this, and drop a comment below. Tell me what you're going to use NotebookLM for. I'll see you in the next one.